What's up guys, this is Ashwin. Today I'm going to be installing a metal oil filter cap for my BMW N54. Basically, I didn't get one of those billet ones that you usually see on like BMS, CTS has one. A bunch of different guys have metal oil filter caps. But the difference about this one is that it also comes with a metal cage inside which your filter rides on. And basically this part's really important because it makes sure that your filter doesn't collapse under high oil pressure, and it also makes sure that there's a hole at the bottom right here and it plugs that up, and you don't want that to be open, because if it's open then basically unfiltered oil can go through and you know, get particulates into your engine. So this is an upgraded part because usually it's plastic. This is the only one that's metal. It's made by Euro Parts with a U. And that's the part number right there. And it's like fairly cheap. It's a good item. And yeah, so it still uses the same cap. So we're just gonna switch this out now. And I just did an oil change, so this filter only has like 500 kilometers on it. So I'm just gonna swap the filter onto here and put it in. And shout out to Vehicular DIY, he's the one who figured this out. He also goes way more in depth into why this cage is important. I'll link the video in the description, you should go check it out. Alright, so just take your BMW oil filter wrench thing, if you don't have one of these, and you go to like a mechanic or like Mr. Lube or like some quick oil change place. Just take this with you and just tell them to swap it out, and they should be able to do it for you. So yeah, first you just wanna undo this. Oh. Just make sure it's on all the way. Oh, I need to put some papers. I should put some papers down, just in case there's any oil that comes out. I made sure that my oil was kind of warm too, not too hot. I just idled it for like 2 or 3 minutes just to make sure the oil is not cold, because it's almost winter time here. It's November. So yeah, let's just go and start untightening this. So this can break off, and sometimes if you're at a quick change place, this will come off with the filter and then we'll just throw it out, because like for other cars, some filters have a plastic thing in the middle, so this looks like it's part of the filter. They'll just throw it out, and then you know, you don't have one anymore. So if it's metal, at least it kind of looks like, oh, no filter actually comes with metal in it, like from the store. So you should probably take, like, they'll take it out. So yeah, so I'll just put this to the side. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna take this filter. Put it in like that. Fits perfectly, just like stock. And yeah, I'm just gonna tighten it back up. Actually, I'm gonna get some oil to lubricate the green O-ring and the black O-ring. Just like that. So both this and this. And now just screw the new cap on. That simple. Now, there's a certain foot-pound you're supposed to use that I do not have right now, because my torque wrench, I don't have my torque wrench right now. Just make sure you don't over-tighten it. See, it just stops there, and then done. Don't be like me, use a torque wrench. I'll put the torque rating right here, and yeah. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. I have a lot more things planned for this manual 135i. I'm going to do a CDV delete, I have to do trans oil change, not flush, but a change, diff oil change, and a couple more things, So anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.